In our teens, my younger brother and I bussed tables at a fancy restaurant across town during the summer. On one of the busiest nights, the manager offered us extra hours and a free dinner to stay later and help clean. Being so young and naive, we happily agreed and didn't end up leaving until 3 a.m. My brother drove, and we just quietly listened to the radio. Then I started hearing a buzzing sound. I figured it was either static on the radio or noise from the engine, but it also kind of sounded like humming because it was so melodic. I turned down the volume and asked my brother if he had heard it too. He said he thought it was me and was confused as to why I was humming along to a different song than the one that was playing on the radio. By the time I said, "Not me," he'd slammed on the brakes. We both looked around to see what crossroad we'd reached. We looked to the right and found ourselves right in front of the cemetery. The humming didn't stop when the radio was turned down, and it distinctly sounded like it was a little girl's voice. After the initial shock wore off, we both screamed in unison, and I yelled, "What are you doing? Go!" When we got home, my mom was already awake having her morning coffee. My brother insisted we hold her rosary and say a few prayers for whoever shared a tune with us, just to be safe. The most eerie part was that, as soon as we passed the cemetery block, the humming completely stopped. The worst part for us, though, was that the manager never did honor his free meal promise.